Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2021 Corvette C8 convertible 2LT in red mist metallic on jet black interior. We'll start at the rear here. So we got the rear trunk open. We'll take a look here. Underneath looks great. Inside the trunk, you got a nice spacious trunk capacity. We got the cargo net here, as you can see. You can actually fit a golf bag in here or two, shopping bags, luggage, whatever you prefer. We'll close this here. It's got the soft close. We'll zoom out here so you can see the roof is down there. You can see the nacelles are painted in carbon flash metallic there. Right behind the passenger compartment, the driver compartment, is the engine. So right here is it's a mid-engine 6.2 liter V8 that produces 495 horsepower. It's paired to a dual clutch 8-speed automatic transmission. You can see the carbon flash vents there. We'll move down here. It's got the Stingray with the carbon flash badge pack. We have the high wing on this car. It's done in carbon flash as well. Really presents the exotic look to the car. Down below we have the NPP performance exhaust that allows you to change the exhaust note from loud to quiet or vice versa, and that's done inside the car, and you can do that while you're driving as well. So very nice option there. Coming into the wheels, we can see we have the 5 open spoke carbon flash design wheel with the machined outer edge. We got the black lug nuts there, and then we have the disc brakes all the way around the car with the edge red brake calipers. Michelin tires on all 4 corners. Tire size is a 305 40 ZR20 in the rear. Okay, making our way to the front wheel here. You can see the edge red calipers there. They do say Corvette on them as well. Tire size for the front is a 245 35 ZR19. Okay, as we make our way to the door panel, we have that jet black interior. It's all gray stitching all the way throughout here. We got the Bose Performance Series sound system. We got the memory package for the passenger. You got your power windows, power locks, and electronic door release here. Show you the dash over here. All black with the gray stitching here. And I'll hit that button there. Has the owner's manual in the glove box, as well as the wheel lock nut there. The door jambs look wonderful. Kick plate down there looks great. That's a Stingray. Nice and clean throughout. We have the carpeted floor mats here. They look great. Then we have the 8-way power seat. So you got power bolster and lumbar. Let's scan the condition here. So you got the gray stitching all throughout here. And these are the GT1 seats. As you can see, we got the Corvette embossed in the headrest there. In between the seats, we have the speaker grill there. And down below, we have the wireless charging station for your cell phone. All right, let's close this door. Take a look at that rear spoiler from this profile. You can see it's nice and high. The carbon flash, so you get the sparkle to it. As we walk down the car here, there's your nacelles painted in carbon flash, as well as the entire roof. So the window pillars there, the A-pillars, carbon flash, metallic mirrors, the vents along the door here. And let's come down the car now. You can see the paint is nice and shiny, beautiful color. This car has been 5-stage polished by our team already, so it's beautiful and ready to go. Down below we have the front spoiler. It's got the triangles here for aerodynamics. I'm gonna feel down here, see what I feel. I feel nothing. That is a good sign. That means there's no rubbing or anything like that. We got front cameras on both sides here. Your front trunk is open. Down below, we got the capacity here that could easily fit a luggage bag. Over here, we got the 12-volt socket. That's where you would charge your battery with your trickle charger. Engine coolant add is there. Windshield wiper add is there. Let's close this hood here. We'll walk back now. Now let's walk into the paint and see that beautiful shine. So you can see all the lights in the paint itself. Really makes a difference after we go through and polish these cars. Coming into the hood stripe here, we got the Corvette Racing hood decal. And you can see it's the skull there, and all these little markings here are little Corvette flags. Pretty cool design there. Okay, let's make our way to the wheels again. So you got that really cool looking wheel. And the final wheel looking sharp. Door panels, same as the other side, so you got that gray stitching here, the Bose Performance Series sound system, the memory package for the driver, you got your power mirrors, power folding mirrors, so I'll hit that button, watch it function, and back out again. Blind spot monitoring, so that'll light up if something's in your blind spot. Your power windows here, your power convertible hardtop, and your rear window. Power locks there, electronic door release, front and rear trunk down there. Show you the dash on this side here. There's your slot for your heads-up display. It does have heads-up. Our jams over here, nice and clean. Kick plate looks awesome on this side as well. Great. Pedals down there, your carpeted floor mats, your 8-way power seats with bolster and lumbar. And we'll scan the seat here, looks awesome as well. There we go. Okay, let's hop in the car now. All right, close this door. So over here we got the HVAC system, so your vents, nice and sleek on it. You can barely tell it's a vent. Heads-up display controls here, and down below we have your dash dimming lights and your electronic parking brake. On the steering column, we got power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. That functions nicely. We got headlight controls here. You got paddle shifters on both sides of the wheel. Z button here, and then we have cruise control here. Audio on both sides of the wheel here. Heated steering wheel, Bluetooth and voice command, and then we have your arrow keys for your digital dash. This control up here is your windshield wipers, and we got a push button start, so we'll go ahead and start the car. Fires right up, sounds awesome. Zoom out here so you can see that steering wheel. So it's an all black wheel. There's your black center point, flat top, flat bottom. It's got the bump outs here, and it's got that gray stitching all the way around. We got the Corvette flags in the center here. And then we'll zoom into the dash here. So you got a full digital cluster. Mileage on this car is 5,368 kilometers. So very low kilometer Corvette. Okay, making our way up here to the visor. We got the universal garage door opener. We got the light sensor rear view mirror, and it's also the camera mirror. And that functions when the top is on only. Coming down here, we have the 8-inch touchscreen. We got factory nav. I'll hit that here. SD card's not in it right now. We'll get one in there, but it does work. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have performance data recorder. We got your climate controls. Here's your front camera. So there's your front of your car, side angles here. And then we'll have reverse camera there. You can see it's nice and crisp. Coming down below here, you got your automatic transmission controls, push-pull design, and puts you into your manual mode so you can use those paddle shifters. Over here we got some buttons, so traction control and your front camera button there. We got your mode selector here. I'm just coming to the dash here. I'll turn the dial all the way to the beginning. So it starts with weather mode, tour mode, sport mode, and track mode. You can see it changes these functions here. So your steering, suspension, engine shift, brake feel, engine sound. And when it's in sport and track, it opens up those exhaust valves so the exhaust is louder for the NPP. Coming down here, the tower, we have the dual zone climate control. We have heated and ventilated seats, and then the rest of your climate buttons. Here we have 2 cup holders, and then we got your console cover here. We'll open that up, put my hand in here so you can see how deep it is. And then we got your auxiliary and USB here, and that's where the SD card goes for your navigation. All right, let's open this door up. I'll turn on the headlights, and let's give it a couple revs. It's got a really nice bark to it. I'm going to hop out of the car, and let's put the convertible top up. So here's your button here. I'm just going to hold that button and watch it function. So tunnel cover lifts up. You can see it's all carbon flash underneath here as well, so it's a nice finished look as opposed to the raw plastic. Here's your carbon flash metallic roof, and it comes down. Rear window is going to go up, and then your side windows. There we are now. Close that door. It's got tinted windows as well. Make our way to the front. See those headlights on now. Great looking car. Love this color. Really pops in the sun. When it's dark, it darkens up a bit, so it's kind of one of those changing color paint schemes. Full carbon flash roof. You can see it looks wonderful even when it's on, up or down. I love that look of the car. There's your high wing and then your bright LED tail lights. And listen to that exhausted idle. Wonderful. So here we have it. This is a 2021 Corvette C8 2LT convertible. This one is painted in red mist metallic on jet black interior. It's here and available at monroemotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.